In news from Assam, Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi has sought a CBI probe into the recent violence and killings along the Assam-Nagaland border. In a meeting with the joint delegation of 7 organizations in Guwahati, the Chief Minister said the government would hand over the case to the CBI to unravel the truth. He also revealed that the Assam government would urge the Supreme Court for an early settlement of the vexed border issue. The local commission headed by a retired Supreme Court judge that was appointed by the Apex Court has already submitted its report. Gogoi also assured the delegation that security measures would be in place, including permanent police pickets in the affected areas to instill confidence among the people living along the interstate border.
Inquiry আমি আগতে কলো তেওঁলোকও বিচাৰিছে যে সিবিআই ইনকুৱাৰী কৰক যাতে আমি কিছুমান ঠাইতো ইনকুৱাৰী কৰিবলৈ যাব নোৱাৰো যদি তেওঁলোকৰ ভিতৰৰ জেগাত আছে আমাৰ এৰিয়াতে পাৰিম সিবিআই ইনকুৱাৰী কৰিবলৈও কৈছো জুডিশিয়েল ইনকুৱাৰীও দিছো.
And our correspondent Indrajit Kundu brings you this ground report from Assam.
It's been 3 days since the latest crackdown in the troubled Golaghat district of Assam. As headlines today travelled along the disputed border, at every step, the fear and tension was palpable. Houses either burnt down or ransacked. Entire villages bore a deserted look as hundreds fled to safer areas.
आके उन लोग क्या घर सब जला दिया और फायरिंग भी किया है और हम लोग उसी फायरिंग के करने के टाइम में हम लोग थोड़ा साइड हो गया. उसके बाद में हम लोग और लोग को हम लोग गुड़ियाम घाट पहुंचा दिया.
This young couple came back only to find ruins of what used to be their house till Wednesday. Fearing the aftermath of the bloody crackdown, they had fled, fearing for the lives of their 2 children.
उस दिन आया था इधर आके घर जला के चला गया लोग. उसके बाद क्या बोलता है गोली से मारा भी फायरिंग के माराया और माचिस लेके तेल भी लेके आए पेट्रोल लेके आया वो भी उसको डाल के जलाया.
Jaiman Sangha's entire season's harvest is gone. While his family is putting up at a relief camp, he says he returned to save whatever little was left of his home.
बेलगांव में रहते थे यहाँ जबकि वो लोग घुस गया मरने के लिए पूरा घर जला रहे उस टाइम में हम लोग साइड हो गया. धन 50 मन जैसा था पूरा जल गया और सोलार था सब जल गया.
The decades-old border dispute once again rearing its ugly head, claiming more lives. The dispute once again pitching the Nagas against the Adivasi Assamese population in the disputed area belt.
नागा लोग मतलब इनिशियन था अच्छा और बस्ती वाला था दोनों मिलके ये लोग काम किया.
Even as we travel across the border region of Assam-Nagaland, this is what we get to see. It's written "Welcome to Ronsuyan." Now, Nagaland claims that this is a part of their territory, and that's why such a outpost has been created. They say that it's the entrance to one of their, villages. Now, Assam government claims that it's part of their Golaghat district, and that is where all this violence have been reported for the past some time.
While the locals blame the Nagas for the violence, under fire state government says the CRPF is to blame for all tension. But when Headlines Today did a reality check, we found out that the central force deployed was simply not enough. Just 40 Jawans manning a 20 square kilometer treacherous terrain. While efforts are now on part of both Assam and Nagaland governments, the centre too is likely to add momentum to finding a solution to the crisis along the tense border. For now, Golaghat will have to crawl back to normalcy inch by inch. With Indrajit Kundu in Golaghat district, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.